Sable Banking Service Honest Review. Watch before using opening a bank account in the U.S. as a non-resident or entrepreneur can be tricky, and most people get this wrong. They assume traditional banks are the only option. Sable offers borderless banking for individuals and businesses, but is it really convenient? Sable provides business checking accounts, debit cards, and payment solutions tailored for global entrepreneurs. The surprising truth is that you can open an account online without a social security number, which is rare for U.S. banking. You won't believe how fast verification and account setup can be, sometimes within a day. Here's how it works. After providing basic documentation and identity verification, you receive a debit card, access to mobile banking, and tools for ACH payments, wire transfers, and expense management. For example, a startup founder overseas can receive U.S. payments, pay vendors, and manage expenses without a local address. Another benefit is fee transparency. Most traditional banks charge hidden fees for international clients, while Sable offers predictable, low-cost plans. Most people assume international banking is complex and expensive, but Sable simplifies the process. However, there are limitations. Sable is primarily digital, so branch access is minimal. Some complex banking services like loans or credit lines may not be available for all clients. Most people assume online banks are universally suitable, but specific needs should be considered. In conclusion, Sable is a strong option for entrepreneurs and international clients who need fast, digital, U.S.-based banking with minimal hassle. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of modern banking solutions.